Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a video on how to replace the disk drive on a 2000 something MacBook. So anyways, what was I talking about? A 2009 MacBook. And you might recognize this one from my part slot video that I did 2 weeks ago. So yeah, I was able to get this one fully functional. One of them had two missing components on the motherboard, which caused it not to turn on. It did charge, but it couldn't turn on. And the other one had no logic board. So anyways, let's just get started. Forgot to power it off. So shut down. Just get straight into it. And I was able to get the bottom nice and clean with a toothpaste strategy that I found out. Okay. From another YouTuber, tech YouTuber. So shout out to them. I don't want to say their name because I'm too lazy. And I don't know why, I just don't want to say it. Okay, fine, I'll say it. Hugh Jeffries. There. So, first of all, you want to unscrew all the bottom screws. I was able to find a bunch of screws for this. There's 3 different screw types that are holding the battery in. You can take a look here. This one right here is a TR6 right here. These 3 are Phillips. This is also a Phillips. This is a tri-wing bit from a MacBook Pro. But anyways, that's not the point. Get this, and I am going to remove the battery because it makes it easier for me to remove the disk drive. So unscrewing that, so you don't have to remove the battery, but for me it just makes it easier, or it makes it easier in general because unscrewing the screw right here. Okay, if not, that screw comes out. This screw is almost completely stripped. You can take a look at that. You can't see it. You can see there. It barely holds on. So, yeah. But it works, so. Take out the battery. This battery did not belong to any of the MacBooks in the part lot. I actually found this at a dump and it works great, actually. At my local trash station, that's what I meant. So, anyways, now you can move up here. So, you want to disconnect the Wi-Fi card, and you want to unscrew these 4 screws right here. So I think we need a bigger screwdriver bit. Yep, I was correct. And these are part of the hinge screws. I don't know why they're like right there, but I guess it also helps hold in the vent. So now that all the screws are removed, you can take out the vent piece. This vent is actually really clean. I'm not sure if you can hear my iMac fans. But anyways, now we can remove the Wi-Fi card. So I'm going to unplug all the connectors and get a flathead screwdriver. Alright, there we go. Now that that's unplugged, we can unscrew it from the MacBook. There we go. Now you can just... Oh, wait, there's one more screw hidden right here. There we go. Now you can remove it from the MacBook. You also want to disconnect this cable right here. Then you can remove the Wi-Fi card. And you could also replace the Wi-Fi card if you want to, you know, if you're doing both. But this video is focused just on the disk drive. And this disk drive actually works fine. So I don't need to replace it. So now that's done, you can remove it. And there's our disk drive. So now we can put it back in, or put your used one or new one in. Can screw it in. This screw actually doesn't screw in all the way, I don't think. Yeah, it doesn't screw in all the way. So, that's strange. Now you can reinstall the Wi-Fi card or airport card. I forgot to mention that earlier. Yeah, so we can reinstall it. And where's my Phillips head screwdriver bit? Oh, right there. Can screw in the Wi-Fi card now. Can turn it around. Can do that. And now we can reconnect the connectors. For the Wi-Fi card. So zoom in there a little bit. Oops, put it in the wrong way. Alright, there we go. Now we can screw in the last screw, reconnect the Wi-Fi card. Okay, it's connected. Now we can reinstall the vent. And we can install the Phillips head screws. Okay. Now that that's done, can screw in the hinge screws. Make sure they're nice and tight. Oops. All right, now that that's done, you can put that away. The flathead screwdriver away. And now we can put the battery back in. Make sure it doesn't get caught on the keyboard connector. Perfect. So now we can reinstall the battery screws. Zoom in a little here. All right. Now we can screw in the battery. This thing right here is starting to crack a little bit, but whatever. Can continue screwing them in. Some sort of dirt here. Oh, that's just toothpaste from when I cleaned the bottom case. See, there's still some residue here from when I cleaned it. Just got underneath it a little bit. So now you can reconnect the battery. Can reinstall it, the bottom panel, and screw in the 8 screws. Camera angle. Okay, good enough. Okay. Can reinstall these screws. Make sure you clip in the bottom panel as well. There's a few clips on that also hold it on the bottom case on, so just be aware of that. Now I have to replace this bottom case because someone had the stupid idea of doing this, so yeah. So now you can flip it over and boot it up. I figured that holding Option is faster to boot it up. So. Can't you believe that holding Option is faster to boot it up? See? With this SSD that's inside, all this thing needs now is a battery bracket, so it's my Wi-Fi. There we go. I have to readjust the time every single time. Oh no, it automatically changed. But anyways, I think that's about it for this video. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see. Actually, please like and subscribe and check out my Twitter at ufelix5. So, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.